Ketosis Explained. The ketogenic diet, or as like some people prefer to call it, the keto diet or low-carb diet, is about consuming a lot of protein and fats but fewer carbs. This diet makes the body send the fats that we consume to the liver, which the latter transform it into energy to keep the body strong and active for a long time without feeling tired quickly. The word ketogenic is derived from the word ketosis, which means the state of the body when it doesn't have enough glucose in it to turn it into energy. So it generates ketones that work as an amazing source of energy for both the body and the brain, which makes it a great option for losing weight in a short time. The keto diet prevents you from consuming a lot for carbs that are the main reason of gaining weight, because the sugar makes you hungry most of the time. When you consume carbs with small portions and focus more on protein and fat, your body doesn't push you most of the time to eat. Instead, it uses those fats to satisfy your hunger and keep you active. If you are looking for a diet that will help you lose weight in a very short term, the ketogenic diet is the perfect diet for you, because it not only helps you achieve a great lean body, but also provides immense health benefits. The benefits of the ketogenic diet. So far, there are a lot of great benefits of the keto diet, but no negative effects have appeared yet at all, which makes it the delicious diet that fits everybody. Here are other health benefits of keto diet. 1. Increases the level of HDL. One of the best aspects of the ketogenic diet is that it increases the level of HDL in the body, which is the good cholesterol that helps in lowering the risk of heart diseases. 2. Helps in alleviating diabetes type 2. By removing carbs from your daily meals, you say goodbye to sugar and insulin, because your body already has what it needs, and you won't have to be worried about what you eat. 3. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is a catastrophe, because it might lead to kidney failure, heart diseases, strokes. With this diet, you can say goodbye to all those worries and live a healthy life away from all those malignant diseases that threaten your life. 4. Gum disease. Gum disease is one of the worst and most painful diseases, which is commonly caused by the consumption of too much sugar. When you eliminate sugar from your daily meals, you can avoid gum diseases and toothaches. While on the keto diet, most of your diet will consist of foods high in fats coupled with a measured intake of proteins and low carbohydrate intake. Some of the food categories allowed in this diet include: 1. Proteins. Poultry, quail, goose, pheasant, chicken, duck, turkey, fish and seafood, cod, tuna, anchovies, mackerel, sole, sardines, salmon, halibut, snapper, calamari. Always opt for wild-caught fish to avoid toxins present in commercially reared fish. Grass-fed meat. These include beef, venison, goat, lamb. Meat from wild animals are also acceptable. However, avoid sausages and meats that come with sugary sauces and those covered in breadcrumbs. Choose the chunks of meat with more fat, since they contain less protein and more fat. Pork. Pork chops. Ham, pork and loin. When choosing ham, be on the lookout for added sugar. For bacon and sausages preferably, you should buy these at specialty health food stores. If this is not possible, always read the labels to avoid those which contain fillers such as soy or sugars. Canned tuna and salmon. Canned tuna and salmon are okay to consume while you are on the keto diet. However, avoid seafood rich in fillers, breaded seafood, and fried seafood. Vegetable protein powders. Protein supplements such as whey protein, hemp protein, pea, and rice are acceptable. Whole eggs. This includes chicken eggs, and quail eggs, which you can prepare through any mean desired: fried, soft or hard-boiled, deviled, scrambled, or omelette style. Shellfish. Oyster, mussels, lobster, shrimp, crab, not imitation crab that contains additives, clams, scallops, and squid. 2. Fats and oils. Because these are your main sources of energy while you are on this diet, go for the types of fats and oils you enjoy. These may include omega-3 fatty acids from fish such as tuna, shellfish, and salmon. Fish supplements or krill. Monounsaturated fats such as egg yolks, avocado, and butter. Vegetable oils such as olive oil, coconut oil, non-hydrogenated beef tallow, ghee, and lard. Duck and chicken fat. In order to make it easier to stick to this diet, be aware of which types of fat your body can tolerate. Many people seem to have zero or very low tolerance of vegetable oils and mayo. This may be a good thing because most of these oils are rich in omega-6 fatty acids, the kind that is bad for your body's cholesterol levels. In this case, work with the listed monounsaturated fats to reduce the inflammatory effect brought about by polyunsaturated fats. Nevertheless, work to balance both fats because you cannot survive on monounsaturated fats alone, you need a lot of fats and oils. Even then, avoid hydrogenated fats such as margarine to reduce the amount of trans fats you eat. 3. Fresh vegetables. For these foods, opt for organic ones or better yet, grow your own to avoid all pesticide toxins. Avoid starchy vegetables, corn, sweet potatoes, peas, and winter squash that are high in carbs. Instead, opt for moderate intake of sweet vegetables, squashes, peppers, tomatoes, and carrots. Vegetables that make it to the list are celery, collard greens, onions, high in sugar, moderate intake, alfalfa sprouts, beet greens, broccoli, spinach, dandelion greens, bamboo shoots, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, garlic, mushrooms, shallots, kale, bok choy, sauerkraut, chives, celery root, Swiss chard, cauliflower, snow peas, bean sprouts, olives, cucumbers, salad greens and lettuces, romaine, arugula, fennel, bok choy, Boston lettuce, endive, match, escarole, sorrel, radicchio, chicory water, chestnuts, turnips, scallions, dill pickles, leeks, radishes, chard, asparagus. 4. Dairy products. Mascarpone cheese, unsweetened whole milk yogurt. Limit intake of this type of yogurt because it is a little high in carbs, all soft in any case. Always go for raw milk products, and if you do not have easy access to them, go for the organic ones. 5. Beverages. Bulletproof coffee, decaf tea, flavored seltzer water, decaf coffee, water, herbal tea, lemon and lime juice. Limit intake. 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, macadamias, pecans, and walnuts are the nuts with the lowest level of carbs, meaning you can consume them in small amounts. Other nuts such as chestnuts, pistachios, and cashews contain a higher amount of carbs, thus, you should carefully monitor their intake. Nuts are best soaked for some time before roasted. 7. Sweeteners. Some options include erythritol, inulin and chicory root, lo han guo, liquid stevia, xylitol. 8. Spices. Here are spices allowed on the keto diet: sea salt, peppermint, ginger, basil, chili pepper, cloves, thyme, cilantro or coriander seeds, rosemary, black pepper, cumin seeds, oregano, turmeric, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, mustard seeds, parsley, dill, sage. As you can see from the above very detailed list, keto diet is not a highly restrictive dieting lifestyle. It also offers you a variety of foods to choose from, thus, you should not feel overwhelmed. However, there are foods you should avoid to achieve optimal ketosis, as your body makes the switch from using glucose to synthesizing fats for ketones. If you would like to learn more, then pick up a copy of our free Keto recipe book. Click the first link in the description.